When you just need a little something to jog your memory to keep going through those long winters, or it's in the middle of the summer, the Rosemary Meets Peaches cocktail will take you back to that luscious summer day. So let's get going. Let's start with 4 slices of peaches. Add an ounce of rosemary simple syrup. Then we're gonna muddle it. Add 2 ounces of bourbon, and then juice from half a lemon. We're gonna add some ice, and then shake until it's chilled. Then double strain it into your cocktail glass. This Rosemary Meets Peaches cocktail is delicious. The flavors add an unexpected flair of interest while honoring the sophistication of your favorite bourbon. This cocktail is Queen Bee approved.